Alright, another quick video today. I'm going to show you how to replace the intake air temperature sensor or IAT sensor. This is a Dodge Dakota, but you'll see most of them are almost the same procedure for almost any vehicle. So you start by disconnecting the electrical plug, and then you twist. In this case, this guy, you just twist it 90 degrees counterclockwise. Now a lot of you can see what one looks like. A lot of vehicles, they'll have maybe a bolt or nut that holds them in, but most of them just twist in like this. Almost like putting a headlight bulb in or out, and have a single electrical connection. If you're wondering if you need to replace one of these, typically you'll see a P0113 code, or maybe you have rough, your engine idles rough or runs rough, or maybe it even kind of surges. Those are typical signs of a bad IAT. But they're real easy to replace. They're almost always found in the air box, or they're in the air intake. So they're pretty easy to locate if you'll just follow your basically any from the front to back of where your air filter is located. You can easily locate the IAT on your vehicle. And if you can't find yours, post in the comments below, and I'm happy to help you locate where yours is. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.